What is going on, Earth2 novice, enthusiasts, and everyone in between? Welcome back to another episode in which we are going to be discussing Earth2, of course. Now, I've got some announcements that I want to go over. These are straight from CEO of Earth2, our commander, chief, and messiah of the new world, Shane Isaac. I've decided to break them up in a number of different videos so they don't get too lengthy, and it allows you to get to just the videos that are of interest to you. Hopefully all of them are, but I'll probably also have some links popping up above, and maybe even some links in the show notes. I don't know. Let's see if I remember to put them there. And if you want to skip ahead to different content, by all means do that. And also, remember, while you're down there, check out the other links, namely the sign-up link that will get you into the raffle for me to use your referral code, as well as enter the weekly LAN giveaway. So we've got two awesome prizes that you have the potential of winning for just filling out one contact form. Also, as a third benefit of that form, you will be put on my email list. Sometimes I don't have the time to shoot and edit and post a video, but I do get emails out pretty quickly, so definitely you want to sign up for that form because you'll be put on the email list, you'll be put into the referral raffle, and you will be put into the free LAN giveaway raffle. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to the correct channel. Intentional Being is the channel that I go live on. I will post Earth2 content on both channels, Intentional Being and Meal Prep Biz 101, but I only go live on Intentional Being, and I post first to Intentional Being. So if you really want up-to-date information, make sure you're subscribed to Intentional Being. Make sure you've got those alert notifications on, and make sure you filled out that contact form so you're on the email list and you don't miss a single thing. But now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump into today's episode. All right, now this announcement is I don't want to say it's the most excited I've been for an announcement, because there's been so many exciting announcements recently, but I was definitely pretty amped about this because if you guys have been watching my videos, I've mentioned advertising promotions. I think that's one of the big money makers in Earth2, at least one of the big passive money makers that's coming into Earth2. And they've Shane himself has actually posted a recent update. I'll read that to you now. Our Earth2 ad form is back online. Oh, what does that mean? We received so many inquiries in such a short period of time. Our Typeform account exceeded its 10,000 limit and closed. It is open again now, and we are really excited with the interest so far and pushing forward. What does that mean? Well, that was a form for businesses and people who wanted to advertise in Earth2 for them to sign up and learn more. So I am probably immediately after finishing this recording just remembered I've got to sign up on that form because I would like to try out some advertising. Probably going to advertise maybe one of my companies or one of my projects. And it's really more going to be for the educational purposes, so I can tell you guys what's involved, what it's like. I don't think that I have anything. I'd have to really think about an offer that I'd want to do, or what product or project would be most applicable to the Earth2 audience. But I do think this is very interesting. Now, do I think it's going to be replacing Facebook or anything anytime soon? No, but as we evolve, I think the type of metrics and the type of information that they're going to be able to pull on Earth2 users, players, whatever you want to call them, is going to be very interesting. And especially when you take into consideration, like once they're able to put the geographics and the different types of cities and attractions and all stuff that's being built, once they're able to start putting those into categories, that will kind of merge a lot of the benefits that the social media marketing platforms are able to do, like Snapchat and Facebook or Google. They can target what kind of stores you go to. So that can also be like on Snapchat, I would do campaigns based on, you know, what stores you're going to and where you're making purchases and stuff like that, but also where you're visiting geographically or where you are. So that's going to be interesting when they have enough data on Earth2 from a business's perspective, because you will be able to, you know, target people based on those interests. If you've got someone who's going, and here's what's going to be crazy. We're going to see Earth2 ads for other Earth2 properties. Imagine that, like mind blown. Or other Earth2 businesses / services. Like if you become an Earth 2 architect and you're building houses in Earth 2, where else would you want to advertise other than Earth 2? I mean, that seems like a great place for you to be advertising the 3D houses that you're building, and then maybe I could purchase that from you, and maybe you're making shirts for avatars or whatever you're making. I think there's going to be a lot of what excites me is and I've said this before, I think it has the potential of being bigger than the internet, because this will be its own self-sustaining economy. There will be stuff that is just bought on the Earth 2 platform and only exists in the Earth 2 platform. Very similar to, software or something that you only use online for creating other things online, like Canva. Canva doesn't exist anywhere. Like, they've got a corporate building, I'm sure, full of like techs and customer service people, but there's not like a Canva store. It's a subscription that only exists online because of the internet. And then with it, you make products that, aside from the stuff you might print out, for the most part, it only exists on the internet. So EFTs, graphic art, 3D models, 3D, who knows, maybe, you'll be able to build sports cars and stuff like that and sell those on Earth 2. Like, I'm sure it's only a matter of time. It's going to be very interesting to see what's going to come of this. But in any case, it's a huge step forward. The ads are going to be a big part of phase 2 and them lining this stuff up. As I mentioned in other videos recently, phase 2 I really think is right around the corner. So buckle up. Phase 2 is really going to make it interesting. Phase 3, I think phases 2 and 3 are probably going to be the biggest ones for gaining interest to Earth 2, because I got videos that describe phase 2 and phase 3, so check those out if you don't know what I'm talking about. But phase 2, promotions, Essence coming out, resources, building, it's going to start getting really interesting. And then, of course, phase 3, we've got the Terra phase, where we're actually going to be getting on the Earth 2 terrain. But I will let you guys go. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have the alert notification on. Make sure you're checking out the sign up form below so you can get in the referral raffle, where I will use your code. You'll be in the land giveaway raffle, where I give you land, and you'll be updated with real-time emails before I have the chance to plan, record, do post-production editing and posting for my videos. So up-to-date stuff, subscribe, alerts, and contact form. Until my next episode, I look forward to helping you navigate this marvelous, miraculous, mystical, magical, magnanimous meatball world called Earth 2.